This video will discuss health and safety in the workplace.
The topics we'll be covering for today are ergonomics, being overworked, and online safety. So to begin, ergonomics is the science of designing the workplace, keeping in mind the capabilities and limitations of the worker. So what are some primary risk factors for bad ergonomics? High task repetition, forceful exertion, and repetitive or sustained awkward postures. So what are some common ergonomic issues? Chair or posture issues, desk height, computer placement, and task repetition. So to start off, chair or posture issues involve incorrect chair height, incorrect chair depth, armrests that are too high, lack of seat padding, and poor sitting posture. Issues with desk involve the desk or keyboard being too high. Next, computer placement involves the mouse and keyboard being on different levels and incorrect monitor height and distance. Finally, the last issue is task repetition, which involves dual tasking or repeated motions, such as looking back and forth from papers to a monitor. So what are the benefits of effective ergonomics? It improves the productivity and efficiency of employees. It decreases the cost of WSIB with regard to musculoskeletal injuries. It improves the quality of work from employees. Improves employee engagement. And finally, it creates a better safety culture for employees.
The next thing we're going to discuss is being overworked at your job, by yourself or by your boss. The first thing to consider are major outcomes of being overworked. This can include things such as stress, burnout, depression or anxiety, family conflict, or death by overwork. The next thing to consider are resulting health problems. For example, being overworked can lead to impaired sleep, depression, heart disease, heavy drinking, and diabetes. Many employees who experience high overwork levels feel anger towards their employers. Things to consider include, for ways to fight back, include making exercise a priority, as it can make you more productive at work since it alleviates stress. Making health a priority as well, so eating and sleeping well. Taking some me time, as independent time is always good for yourself. And ensuring to prioritize. This can help you organize yourself and manage your tasks better.
And finally, we're going to be covering online safety in the workplace, which includes issues such as identity theft, online bullying, and general safety. So first, what is identity theft? Identity theft is the unauthorized acquisition, possession, or trafficking of personal information, which can be used to create a fictitious identity or take over an existing identity to obtain financial gain, goods or services, or to conceal criminal activities. Approximately 15 million U.S. residents have their identities stolen every year, with financial losses totaling around $50 billion. So ways to prevent identity theft. Secure your social security number, shred receipts, shield your keypad when typing in passwords, and install firewalls and virus detector software to prevent viruses. Next, online bullying. So bullying is defined as the willful and repeated action intended to embarrass, humiliate, or torment people using computers, cell phones, or other electronic devices. And this can often cause victims to feel overwhelmed, vulnerable, isolated, or even depressed or suicidal. Ways to deal with bullying. Save evidence of cyberbullying, prevent communication from the bully, don't respond to their messages, and report threats of harm to the police immediately. Finally, we're going to be talking about general online safety in the workplace. So using online programs allows employees to access the internet from work, which can be very advantageous but can also open the company to a host of dangers, such as scammers who can pose as customers to gain information from users. Also, malware, which is designed to destroy or steal data. And finally, social networking, which can be misused by employees and create a bad reputation for the company. So ways to remain safe online. Defending your computer, thinking before you click, using strong passwords, and staying smart when posting on social media. Remember to stay safe, and thank you for watching.